diverse, with each animal carrying new and unique traits. The genetic fusion between species opened a new era, enhancing strength and harmony within the animal community, making each creature valuable and indispensable. That was the story of the miraculous genetic fusion among different animals. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there existed a diverse community of animals living harmoniously together. In this world, each species carried its unique set of genetic traits. They chose to combine their genetic traits to create a new generation with both outstanding characteristics. The result was mice with protective shells, enabling them to move swiftly through the forest and possess the flexibility to dig tunnels.